Today, we're featuring FH Group Faux Leather seat covers, custom made for the 2024 Chevrolet Trax LS. See below for other models we cover. Upgrade your interior with the sleek, modern look of our faux leather custom-fit seat covers. Impeccable craftsmanship. Every stitch tells a story of quality and attention to detail. Airbag compatible, engineered to work with built-in airbags for your peace of mind. Accommodates heated and ventilated seats. Designed to work seamlessly with your vehicle's heating and cooling seat functions. Sink into comfort. Our faux leather seat covers are as cozy as they are stylish. Designed with center console coverage to keep every surface protected. Smart storage built right in. Our back seat pockets offer practical convenience. Enter the world of perfect fit. Built-in seatbelt access. Access your seatbelts with ease thanks to precision fit openings. Precision fit, crafted for your car's exact specifications. Split seat compatible, perfect for split bench seats, combining protection and flexibility. Maximum coverage with a wraparound design for a snug, secure fit. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your FH Group Faux Leather seat covers, designed for the 2024 Chevrolet Trax LS and more.